Zoey, what is it? Leave it, please. Oh my God, don't eat that. Ugh. If that thing flies over here. Oh. Did you get it? Zoey, leave it, please. Please, Zoey, please don't eat that. Just leave it. Okay, you can leave it. Zoey. Come on. Oh my God, she got... Don't eat that. You will not be sleeping in my bed tonight if you put that in your mouth. Oh my God, oh my God. Zoey, if that thing flies into me... It's not fun anymore. Oh my God. What is it? Oh my God, it only has one wing left. Zoey, come on, baby, it's injured. Ugh. What is it? What is that? What is it? What is it, Moose? Can you just leave it? Zoey, leave it. Oh, okay, you just want to mess with it? Cool. What is that? Do not put that in your mouth. Oh my God. You just like its wings flapping? What's happening? Zoey, don't put that in your mouth. No, ma'am. Zoey. Do you hear your... Ooh. What is it? All right, let's leave it. Let's leave it. Go play. Go play. Leave the cicada alone, please. I love you. Could you just leave it? No. Don't put it in your mouth. Good girl. Leave it. Go play. Oh, is there a squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Nope. Leave it. Go find the squirrel. Where's the squirrel? Oh, Mama sees a squirrel. Can you go get it? You leave the cicada alone. Go get the squirrel. Oh, where is it? Mama, go get it. Can I go get your squirrel? Where is it? Where's the squirrel? Oh, Mama's getting it. Zoey, don't. Okay, don't bark. Leave the cicada, please. Hey, are you a good girl? You're such a good girl. You're so pretty. Can you go get a squirrel? Can you find Mama a squirrel? Where is it? Leave it. Leave it, please. Okay, let's go find a squirrel. Come on. Can you find one? Okay, I thought it was worth a shot. Leave the cicada. Leave it. Good girl, leave it. Good girl, leave it. That's a very good girl. Thank you. Thank you, leave it.